Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can customize the text replacement on your iPhone 15 Pro. And let's go to our notes and we will type something and then we say oh my god, and now it just says oh my god, but maybe we wanted to spell oh my god out. And not just OMG, and for that we need to go to our settings. We need to go to general and then to keyboard, and here we need to go to text replacement. We have a few here already. Now we can go to the plus here and then type in the phrase oh my god, and now the shortcut save. Now it's here. And now when we go back to our notes and say, oh my god, you can do that with a lot of things. When we go back and then, I don't know, be there in a minute. And then we say the shortcut just says min, and then we'll save that. And now we say min, and then be there in a minute will be spelled out. So that is how you can customize the text how you can customize your shortcuts here and your text replacement. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. A thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.